Good day. Based on what I said on how to download to use for a design, take for instance, you want to do a design on Corel Draw. Come and I open a new layer and you want to do a design just like the one I gave you as an assignment. You just haven't concluded that the major theme, the major text that you want to use, like Mercy said no. That's the major one, the one that you want to make it big, the major information in the design. For sure, any image you will be picking on the internet will be something related to this, since that is the major text you want. And where to get it is in Google. You open your Google. After you've opened it, you can type Mercy said no. Mercy said no there, and you search. Go to images and you check to see any image that is related that you can use. This one, a man that is holding another person's hand, or you can even search something that have to do with death of Christ, since it is still under Mercy said no. You know what you meant by that when you are talking about Mercy said no. I'm trying to look for an image that may be related. After I type Mercy said no, you're not able to get something related like that. Also, you can just go there and type he died for me. He died for me. You are trying to check and find something that is related, which you can use. Now, this is a crown, nail and something like a crown. This is related, even though it doesn't show the picture of Jesus Christ. It's related, but there are some words there which disqualify it. Though we've not got to the level where I will teach how to remove some of this text, so I wouldn't want to use that now so that I don't get too congested for you. But however, let me assume this picture still speak like that, cross and the likes, but instead in a picture like this, what you will do is that you will use this whole picture for the whole design. This side will be part of the background. You don't need to even put any background. You just use this side and you type whatever you want to type on it to do your design. But however, let me assume, okay, here's another sample that talks about a nail and the likes. So this is a good sample. Yeah, this is another sample I have here. There are many samples online that you can use for a design. You can create yourself, but we have not got to a level where we will start creating. I think I prefer this. Now let me quickly use this opportunity to talk about something. Despite I prefer this that shows the picture of Christ and the light, what disqualifies it is the watermark name, Shutterstock, and this tiny logo that was there. This disqualifies this picture. You can see Shutterstock. Why? Because this image is being sold online. They sell images online, they sell background online for you to use when you want to do any design. So it's not necessary that you must go to Google to get it. You may not even get the perfect one you want on Google, but there are some sites that sells images to do design. Example of them is Shutterstock, Pinterest, many of them like that. There are many of them I can't finish, but the most popular one are Shutterstock and Pinterest. Most of them sell images, backgrounds, and whatever thing you want to use. They save you time of start creating. That's why I said that design for designers. So it's not necessary that you must only be a novice that you are designing for. Now, this images is qualified because it is being sold because of those Shutterstocks and all the watermark that they've done on it. So it disqualified this image. And that image that I saw that I can use this image. This image also speak about it. Now I can use this image. This image is not sold and it looks good, so I haven't clicked it and I am sure that this is the one I want to use. I just right click on it and I say save image as. Then it saves directly under my download. So it is downloaded now. I haven't downloaded, I can go back to that image. Depending on the browser you use, mind you, the way it will work. Now this is the image I downloaded. Let me now go and look for it. I'm trying to look for the image under download. That's where it is. This is the image I downloaded. So now, so from this you can start your design. You can see the way I downloaded that. That's just what I just want to show you, how to download the image and use it for a design. That's the purpose of this video, which I have done. So I haven't downloaded this image, then I can now do my measurements, make sure that this image is inside of it, and the likes and the likes. I will create something like that after I just want you to try your own method, redo that assignment, and make sure you look for a better image to use and something good to use. That's the best. So thank you.